go get him again.
Welcome back to the Robe Zoe channel. I'm your host Mark, and on the docket today we have an unboxing first impression video on the brand of Lacoste. Not much of an unboxing here. Of course, this is part of the Fragflex return haul. This one called L.12. It's from the L.12 line, of course. The Blanc line, so the white line. This one called Eau Intense, which is a 2023 release. A little bit of a dent here from the return. So before we get into anything, if you haven't subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? Hit that subscribe button, smash that like button, much appreciated. To my returnees, absolutely love you. Thank you so much for the support over the years. Now, let's take a look at the note breakdown. Let's see what we got. In the top, we got Mandarin, Turmeric. In the mid, we got Lavender, Cardamom, and Clary Sage. And in the base, we got Vetiver, Sandalwood, and Leather. We do have a couple noses attached to this one, Delphine Lebeau et Jean-Christophe Hérault. So Jean-Christophe, that is a name I know, All-Star Perfumier. Pricing, this one retails, I think in stores around 80 to 90 USD. I might be wrong, but give or take. And $76 on Fragflex. So still pretty price for a Lacoste. I don't know. There's not too many Lacoste I could say are worth 75 bucks, honestly. USD, for our Canadian friends, we're in the 80s here for a bottle of this. That's a lot for me personally. Lacoste is one of those bargain bin brands. You're looking at $50 or less personally. But we'll see. Maybe this one will surprise me. There's not too many Lacoste that can say that they're going to be around 100 bucks, 75 bucks. Atomizer is okay. Let's delve into this, and of course this is a flanker of L.12 white, which is very successful for Lacoste. They've been releasing flanker after flanker. Oh yeah. Synthetic Mandarin greets us. There's a turmeric leaf going through in here, giving the orange some herbal touches. So there's a green aspect from as per the bottle here. Fresh, green, orange, synthetic. Yeah. Already know. This is a big NO. For the price they're asking, retail and discounters, no. And as a new release, another Lacoste flop, like, I don't know. Yeah, Synthetic Mandarin greets me. It's okay, but some greens. Lavender, actually. Ooh, a bad one, too. It smells like dryer sheets. Man, a little bit of cardamom and a little bit of woods here. Neither great. Yeah. Easy unboxing, honestly. For a 2023 release, this is really disappointing. However, the brand has a fairly poor track record with me. I'm not a fan. I like the bottle designs. They look good. Just this line just does not speak to me. And they smell like bargain bin fragrances, like 30 bucks tops, 50 bucks real tops, right? You're asking 90, 80, 70, 60 even. I can't. Yeah, it doesn't stand out. So Lacoste keeps doing what Lacoste does. Bargain bin fodder. It just stays in the bargain bin. Great brand, great. You know, there's so much, there's a lot of these designer brands that every single bargain bin scent that I smell from them, I'm like, there's so much promise. And there's like brands like Lacoste that has such a huge possibility with their branding in scents. Like, I don't know, it's just I feel like I'm built to be a creative director of a brand. Because like Lacoste, you know, what other brand needs a facelift? Lacoste is definitely one. Azzaro, ooh, the people from Azzaro wouldn't like me. They need a huge facelift. But like, even big names like Gucci and YSL, they're punching below their marketing potential, their selling potential. This is just not very good. It smells like a bargain bin scent. It doesn't have any back end. The citrus is like, how hard is it? How expensive is it to get a really nice mandarin note, right? After that, you're getting a little bit of clary sage, cardamom, turmeric. Like there's leather in the note breakdown. No. Don't spend more than 30 bucks on this. I would say you'd go as low as 25, which is probably not available. It's too new for it to hit that price point. Will it eventually? Maybe. Some of these Lacoste never touch the 25. Some of them do. This is the huge disappointment. And I could just see the talking heads, like, right, the YouTubers that have a big smile and say this is like great stuff. I don't know what you're smelling, bro. Too many smiles, skittles, and rainbows on YouTube in the fragrance game these days that they can't just say, right, like for 75, 80, 90, 100 bucks, what can you get in the fragrance game? Oh, if you're a fragrance reviewer and you're saying that this is good, get your head checked, bro. Right? You're not, get your nose on more stuff. This ain't it. Now that you heard my take, I'd love to see yours in the comments below. Good, bad, and the ugly, right? I'm not an influencer, so you can say really good things about this fragrance without really coming after me. I don't care. You can say whatever you want. Don't try to defend the scent. I hate those kind of comments. They're just, who are you trying to, like, I get 10 compliments a day. Okay. Like, okay. But, maybe you're seeing something I don't in this fragrance. I love seeing that. But for me personally, no. As always, a great report fragrance will make a lasting impression. Choose your scent wisely. Thanks for watching, YouTube. Have a good one.